Hi, my name is Marta. I'm from Poland. It is my second time in Excel English School. Teacher is Andy. I had a very good lesson with my teacher Andy. I like this place because here is quiet and this place is near central London. For example, I visited Sherlock Holmes Museum and Charles Dickens Museum. During my times here, I've improved my English and I made many new friends from all around the world. If I have a chance, I would love to come back again. Thank you, Excel English. See you next time. Bye.